Okay, today I'm going to bring you guys along to prepare for 2023. Now that it is literally right around the corner, I like to kind of do a few things to get myself prepared for the new year, start on a good foot and start fresh. So I have a to-do list and a bunch of tasks and things that I really want to get done. So I want to bring you guys along to share with you everything that I'm doing to kind of set myself up for success in the beginning of this new year. Comment down below what any of your resolutions or goals are, or what you're most excited for in this new year. I'm curious to know. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday. And with that being said, let's just get right into it. So the first thing on my to-do list is to just tidy up my kitchen, put away dishes, and also to meal prep. So something I'm gonna do is just cut up all my veggies that I have and do a couple things to get it all organized and have in the fridge, because especially near this time, it's sometimes hard to stay on track with all holiday parties and just eating a little bit more than you're used to. And a lot of my goals are always around health and fitness. I think it's always a ongoing progress and always going to take commitment. So I wanted to cut up some veggies and have that all ready so that in the new year, I could really just have things readily available and make those healthy choices right away. And I find by having things meal prepped and cut up and washed already, it just makes it that much more easier to stay on track and make healthier options. After I can go ahead and clean the kitchen and all of that, I always like to try and clean up my space as well, to start with a less cluttered space, because a cluttered space just invokes anxiety for me and it just leads to more stress. Now that I went ahead and did a little bit of meal prepping, I'm gonna go ahead now and just tidy up the kitchen. I have to put away the dishes, wash the dishes, and wipe everything down. I always like having just like a clean, fresh kitchen and a clean space, like I said, going into the new year. And then I'm gonna move on to the next things that I have on my to-do list. next thing that I have on my to-do list is just to organize my closet a little bit, but mainly just put everything away. I am the worst at putting away clothes. I have no problem cleaning them, but when it comes to the putting away part, it's just the worst part always for me. I'm a little bit of a procrastinator when it comes to that, so I definitely have some things to put away, and I like to just get my space, like I said, organized. And a space I like to organize is definitely my closet because it can get quite messy at times. Over here, I just have my laundry bin of my clean clothes, so I need to put that away. I even have this laundry bin of clean clothes that I need to put away. It is definitely not the worst in here. It's pretty organized, but I just have so many clothes that it's overwhelming now. I don't even have enough hangers, sadly. But something I definitely want to do is start to list some things that need to go on my Poshmark. So if you guys aren't following me on Poshmark, make sure you are. It's NICOLETTAXO, and you can also use NICOLETTAXO to sign up if you haven't already. You can get a $10 credit if you're from the United States or $15 credit if you were from Canada. So make sure you guys sign up. But I definitely will be getting rid of some clothes. I do like to do closet cleanouts for the new seasons, and now that it's winter time, I like to always do a closet cleanout during this time. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and just start putting things away, and then I'll update you guys once I'm done. That actually took faster than I expected, but I went ahead and I emptied both my baskets and put everything away. I also did throw some things out, like some garbage and bags that I had in the corners, so I just organized my closet a little bit more. Now the next thing I want to organize, and that's on my to-do list, is my bathroom, and specifically inside of the drawer. I have been wanting to tackle this task for so long, and I want to go in with a fresh, clean start in the new year, so I want to make sure that not only is the outside appearance of my places look clean, but also on the inside. Let me know if you're like me, where sometimes the inside of drawers just gets super messy. So I want to go ahead and go through everything, organize it all, and throw the things out that need to be thrown out. Let me go ahead and share with you guys what it's looking like so far. Okay, so here we are. And this is what it's looking like. So it is just a hot mess. Things just need to be organized, thrown away, and just cleaned up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start organizing this now. I've been wanting to do this for so long, like I said, and I definitely wanna get this done before the new year because this just gives me anxiety. I ended up just taking everything out, which this definitely needs a good wipe down because it is super dirty. But this is everything that was inside, and honestly, I found so many things that I didn't even realize were in here. So this is why it's important to organize and clean out those drawers. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through everything, see if I wanna get rid of anything, and then I'll put it back and organize it into the actual drawer. finished the drawer and look how much better it looks. I'm actually so happy I organized this so I know where everything is now. I also have my container of like hair ties and clips and all that, my little container with brushes in it and my hair tools, and it's just way less cluttered. This is everything I got rid of. So I got rid of a whole bag full of things, so that is why it is also less cluttered. I got rid of things that were kind of like expired and that I don't use anymore, but most of the stuff was just expired or way too old and I needed to just throw it out. My next thing to do on my to-do list is cleaning all of my makeup brushes. So I know every girl dreads this and it's been way too long. I don't even want to admit how long, but today is the day and I'm finally gonna go ahead and clean my makeup brushes. So I went ahead and brought up some dish soap. That's what I've been using. I'll either use dish soap or baby shampoo. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning them and then lay them out to dry. And this probably is gonna take a while because I have all my face and eye brushes. Thought what not better to do than go into the new year with some fresh makeup brushes. Every girl definitely knows this struggle. Makeup brushes successfully cleaned. Now that I finished my makeup brushes, which I'm so happy about, just to go ahead and clear up my computer. So I am someone that always has a messy desktop, so I want to go through everything and organize it. And also I will be going through my emails as well and clearing that up because I have literally thousands upon thousands of emails that I need to get rid of. Question, I'm curious to know how many emails you guys have sitting in your email box. Are you like me that has so many just sitting there, or do you go through them regularly? Because I definitely need to get better at that. And the last thing I have on my to-do list before I go is I just want to sit down right now and kind of reflect on the last year and just write down my goals for 2023. I like to do this every single year if I can before the end of the year. So that is what I'm going to do now. And that is all for the video. That was everything that I wanted to do in order to get prepared for this new year. I'm so excited for this new year. I feel like every new year is a new chapter. It can be a fresh start, and I can't wait to see what this year has to bring. Let me know what you guys are most excited for this new year. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do try to upload every single Tuesday and Thursday. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!